make a one-pot pasta. It's going to be a very simple, easy. You have a hard day's work. God, I went to work early this morning. I got home after 9. Just a long day. After a long day, you don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. So this dish takes 10 minutes. That's 7 minutes of cooking the pasta. Maybe 12 minutes if you take a long time to bring the water to boil. So you're going to start your pasta. You're going to put on either put some bacon or already have some pancetta in your house. I didn't remember to buy the pancetta, so guess what? I got to cook some bacon. But I've got some pepper crusted bacon. We're going to take some fusilli. I think that's how you say it. It's not rotini, but it looks a lot like it. And then we're going to take that, mix it with some ricotta, very fresh cheese, and then that, pecorino romano, a little bit of pasta water. Then we're going to mix that together, mix a creamy sauce with the zest of one lemon. A couple of techniques that I didn't remember to tape, but I'll do some back taping. We'll show you some techniques in some other videos. Maybe I'll just do a techniques video. Who knows? But I cooked some bacon, and for some of you that didn't know, bacon fat comes from cooking bacon, and then you save it. So shout out to a couple of guys that just didn't know what that meant. They did let me know I need to dumb it down, make it more simple for you since we're teaching basic stuff. This is a basic Northern Italian dish. Creamy, cheesy, not a tomato sauce, not seafood. That's Northern Italian. So, really simple. Garnish it off with some charred tomatoes, which I got to show you how to make those because I've used them in a couple of dishes, and fresh basil that's on the patio, thanks to Pops. So, remember, please like, subscribe. First, hit the little bell, you get the ding, ding, ding. You know, here at Feed Your Brother. And then we're going to put this together, show you how it's done. Thanks for watching. Be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. We got everything ready. All right, we're going to start with a little bit of half pound of pasta. This is our one dish what we're doing. A one pot dish. And we're going to follow this recipe. You just stir. I got this coated with a little bit of butter. Could use olive oil. The recipe calls for some pasta water. I didn't save any. Oh well. So, cut it smooth. Okay. It's pretty simple. You're going to add the ricotta. Ricotta is a very fresh cheese. So we're going to add a half a cup of ricotta. Add a little bit of water since I didn't have any pasta water. Make the creaminess of the sauce. It's a pretty basic pasta dish. Alright, we're going to add the zest of one lemon. I'll show you how to do that someday. Oh my God, that smells so good. This is so simple to make. Alright. So let's make a little bit of sauce. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Right, you can see the sauce coming together. Very simple. Right here. Now we're going to add about 8 ounces of pecorino romano. It is a kind of like Parmesan. If you don't have pecorino romano in your store, you can go ahead and use Parmesan. Smell that's wonderful. Okay. Of course, I like it a little spicy. So I'm going to use some chili flake. Nice big pinch of chili flake in there. We use the juice of one lemon. This is the lemon that I zested. This is a great summer cheesy dish to have. And takes about 10 minutes. Alright, that's coming together really nice. Smells wonderful. And I'm going to finish that off with, you can use pancetta. I didn't pick any up, forgot to pick it up. That's normal, I forget things. That's okay, I used a little bit of black pepper bacon. Give it a bit of a smoky taste like pancetta. Pancetta is just an Italian style bacon. Oops, see? There's my finger in it. And we're gonna finish this with some torn basil. A little roughness there. Last bit. As with anything green, you're gonna need some more salt. There you have it. A one-pot pasta dish. Very fresh, light, cheesy meal for the summer. All right, we're plating our one-pot wonder pasta. It's a lemony. It's got fusilli, ricotta, pecorino romano, pepper bacon, fresh basil, a little bit more fresh basil, and then I'm going to garnish that with some of my charred tomatoes that I showed you how to make in a couple of videos. Just add a little color to it. Nice and pretty. And a little more cheese. There we go. There you have it. Your one-pot pasta. Great dinner. Easy. Got the ingredients at home. You can make this really, really fast. Yep, oh boy, this is awesome. Tastes like a traditional kind of northern Italian creaminess. The cheese, southern Italian being tomato sauce. Bright and lemony. You guys enjoy this? I'm gonna eat this and go to bed. Bye. Pasta, simple, one pot pasta, lemon pasta, and I'm sitting here doing the video editing, have a little bit of coffee, figured, why not make a little breakfast? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the leftover lemon pasta. I charred off some red jalapenos last night, just left them sitting on the stove, peeled them this morning. Gonna throw something together real quick, and you can do this anytime with pasta, make it into a breakfast item. So, gonna re-angle the camera, and then we'll show you how to make a simple, really, breakfast that'll carry you through till lunch. And we got our pasta in a pan with a little bit of butter and some water. Heating that up. I've added the roasted jalapenos. Like a little spicier in the morning. Top. There's a little smoked paprika. Top. A pinch of pepper. And always salt. And there we have it. Nice little breakfast for you. Leftover pasta, fried eggs on top. I'm gonna go enjoy this.